Have you ever wondered exactly how a pothole forms? Although it may seem like it, it doesn't happen overnight. In honor of National Pothole Day, we wanted to discuss the full life cycle of a pothole. It all begins with raveling and cracks. Cracks initially form from a variety of reasons, including traffic, temperature changes, and underlying soil movement. Raveling occurs as the binder ages and leads to aggregate loss. Whether it be rain or snow, water seeps into small cracks within the pavement and accumulates between the asphalt and the subgrade beneath the road. As the temperature drops, that water freezes, causing the pavement above it to expand and move upwards. And once these temperatures rise, the ice melts, causing the pavement to weaken. And lastly, there's traffic. As we drive over these weakened areas, the weight of our vehicles causes the asphalt to collapse, which leads to the formation of a pothole. If it's ignored, that little pothole turns into a much bigger problem, which will be harder to fix and more expensive down the line. Luckily, there are things that can be done to slow the development of potholes. Preventative maintenance treatments, such as fog seal rejuvenators and crack sealing, help protect the pavement structure from moisture intrusion and slow deterioration, delaying the formation of those pesky potholes.